Welcome, everyone! Today, Bill and Phil are making the legendary Solyanka soup.
Get ready, smoky, rich, and incredibly flavorful.
This recipe is loved for its depth and aroma.
Phil grabs the smoked chicken and starts separating the meat from the bone.
And guess who gets the bone? Of course, Ray.
Look at him watching. He already knows what's coming.
Meanwhile, Bill heats the pot and gets a strong fire going.
He adds oil and lets it warm up properly.
Phil is cutting the chicken exactly 500 grams of smoky, juicy pieces.
The aroma is already insane, and we're just starting.
Next comes the sausage. You can use any kind you like.
Phil slices 500 grams of it, plus 300 grams of mushrooms.
A lot of cutting, but this is what builds the famous Solyanka richness.
Smoky, meaty, and earthy flavors. Unstoppable trio.
Everything goes into the hot pot. Chicken, sausage, mushrooms.
They start browning beautifully, filling the air with that signature smell.
Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of happiness.
Phil keeps going, now cutting smoked brisket.
That's some serious flavor right there. This soup will be truly deep.
Every detail pushes the richness further.
The brisket goes into the pot, but the earlier sauté is removed first.
That keeps the flavors clean and controlled.
And the smoke rises again! Beautiful!
Now, 2 big onions. Phil chops them fast and confidently.
Next come 2 bell peppers, colorful and fragrant.
Finally, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste.
Everything gets mixed and sautéed until soft and glossy.
Now, 4 pickles, chopped finely.
They go into the pot along with the brine. Ah,
10 liters of water are added and mixed.
the lid goes on. Time for the flavors to expand.
3 cloves of garlic, chopped very finely.
Into the pot they go, boosting the aroma.
The smell becomes even deeper.
Now olives, 250 grams.
They give Solyanka its iconic tanginess.
Chicken, sausage, and mushrooms return to the pot.
The lid closes for another 15 minutes of simmering.
Phil chops a bunch of parsley. Freshness is essential.
It goes into the pot, lid closes again.
Time to prepare the lemon. It brightens the final serving.
Time for tasting preparations.
And Ray gets his toy. I bet $10 he'll destroy it in 5 minutes.
He looks very confident.
Time to taste.
Every bowl gets lemon, herbs, and a spoon of sour cream.
Look at that color. Rich, vibrant, absolutely gorgeous.
The flavor is bold, balanced, a total blast.
If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time.
Drop a like, we cook our best for you.